Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to connect Instagram account to your TikTok account. Open your TikTok account and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on edit button. There you can see social media section which has Instagram option on the top. Tap on it and then it will take you to Instagram website. Now get logged into your Instagram account. And it will ask you the permission to access the information of your Instagram account. Here I'm allowing it and then tap on done, and then you're done. You can now see your username on the side of Instagram. Also on your profile you can see Instagram icon, by following which people can go to your Instagram profile. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.